Set, go. Yeah, what's up? Hold my neck. Here.
I want to see that last video.
I didn't know it was under Grandpa. I was too busy taking pictures.